Okay, so welcome back to lecture once again, guys. Now in this lecture, I'll be talking about couple of more transformation over here. So let's try to understand that how we can do a couple of more transformation with respect to the data set. So here, you must be able to find out something called as replace value, right? So what it is being used for? So it is going to replace our values with some other values. Depends, right? Depends. So here I'm going to select the sum of the column, let's suppose, and let's suppose here we have a customer first name is equals to Kwai, KWAI, Kwai. So I would like to replace this Kwai with my own name. So everywhere we have a Kwai, and here also we have a Kwai, and somewhere else must be like a Kwai will be available. So I don't want this Kwai. So what I want is that I want my name over here. So I can try to do what? I can try to click on replace. So replace value to find. So so here KWAI. So capital K WAI, Kwai, with basically replace it with SUDH. Yeah. So here, if I'm going to click, you must be able to see that it has replaced it with my name. Yeah. So wherever there was a Kwai, so here I have replaced it with my name. So here, this is how you will be able to find out the replace. Now there is something called as basically format. Yeah. So here, so what this format is going to do. So let's suppose I'm going to select again this contact first name, and here so I can try to convert everything into a lowercase if I want. Yeah, so everything is now into a lowercase. Now if I would like to convert everything into an uppercase, so yeah, so as you can see I'm able to convert everything into an uppercase. I can select multiple columns as well, and I can try to format everything into the upper cases. So here everything is an uppercase, everything is in lowercase. Capitalize each word. So in that case, it is going to keep the very first letter in an uppercase, and rest of the letter will be available in a lowercase from the particular text. Now, so there is something called as a trim. So what trim will do? So trim will try to remove the trailing space, and so the space which will come before and after. So if there is some space, so it is going to remove it. So this is how this format is going to work, by the way. Yeah, so clean is going to clean up the entire thing. So you can hover your mouse and then you can try to check. So remove all the non-printable characters. So whatever character is available which you can't print, some ambiguous character, so clean is going to clean up all of those characters. So it is going to clean up all of those data. So this is again you can try to use. Now, so there is another thing that you will be able to find out inside this one, and that one is called as split column. So let's suppose we have this customer name, right? So as you can see that we have a customer name and there are a couple of letters inside or a couple of words inside this customer name. What I wanted to do is I would like to separate all the names. For example, this Land O Toys Inc. So I would like to remove I would like to separate Land of Toys Inc. separately. So what I can do, so I can try to select this customer name and then I can try to basically try to click on split and split by delimiter. So there are multiple things which is given to you. I would like to select a split by delimiter so that I can try to split these things with the help of space. Yeah. So split by delimiter, and here so I can try to select a space. So split by space and then code character, this one. Okay. So you will be able to find out that it has created customer name 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So whatever will be the maximum number of words available in any of the data, that is the number of column it is going to create. And here so you will be able to see that there is a separated one, right? There is a separated one. So it's a separate things that it has been created, and wherever things was not available, it is trying to give it as a null. Now for example here, so I would like to replace all the null. So whatever null is available over here, so I would like to replace all the null value with my name. Yeah, so wherever there is a null, so here again I can try to use so I can try to say that okay, so wherever in this column there is a null value, just give my name to it. Yeah, give my name to it. So as you can see, wherever there was a null value, it has given my name over here. So again, this replace you can try to use to fill any kind of a data that you want at the end of the day. Fine. Okay. Now there is something called as fill. So fill down and fill up. So what it will do. So for example, if I'm going to show fill like a down, so here is a null, right? So it will try to fill with the up value. And if I'm going to select fill down, so it will try to select with the, it will try to fill this null with the gift value. Simple. So fill down means it will try to select fill with the so virgin. And if I'm going to select fill up, so it is going to fill with the gift. So means whatever value will be below, it will try to fill with that one. This is something where you will be able to find out a fill operation. As simple as that. And it's very easy, right? Very easy to understand at any point of a time. So hope all of you are able to understand that how we can try to, handle the null value, how I will be able to perform any kind of a formatting operation, how I can try to split the column at the end of the day. Not just that, so we have a statistical operation as well. So let's suppose I have some sales column and I would like to find out the summation of the sales. I can do that. This is the summation of the sales which is available. If I would like to do maybe count the values, median or average sales, I can try to find out that as well. So there is a statistical things which is also available to all of you, and you can try to use that particular part as well. So all of this transformation is not at all a big deal. So you can try to use any of this transformation, and you can try to call those transformation on top of the data set. Very, very simple one. Yeah, very, very simple one. So with that, thank you so much, everyone. Keep on doing this transformation. Just try to play it with the data, and you will be able to understand eventually each and everything. No need to remember anything. As simple as that. Yeah. So there is nothing to remember at any point of a time.